Assalamu alaikum. What is this big green thing on the screen? This is Alif. Barakallahu feekum. Yes, this is Alif. But what does Alif look like? Alif is straight. It looks just like this straw. Can you say it with me? Alif, Alif, Alif. Barakallahu feekum. Now can you tell me where Alif is in this picture? Is this Alif? No. Is this Alif? Yes, you are right. This is Alif. Barakallahu feekum. So what is this? This is Ba. Barakallahu feekum. Can you say it with me? Ba. Ba, ba, like ba, balloon, ba, ball, ba, boat. Look here, ba has one dot below. Ba has one dot. Now can you tell me where ba is in this picture? Is this ba? No. Is this ba? Yes, this is ba. It has one dot. Now say it with me. Alif, ba, alif, ba, alif, ba, ba, alif, ba, alif, ba, alif, ba, alif. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum.